We have stuff to do. We need to ship an app, man. Yeah, I'm gonna use Shipixen and Figma. I don't know what we're gonna build yet. The goal for this is that I want the payment link at the end, and I want to make one internet dollar. Let's build. We made our first dollar, man, on the internet.
Hello Dan, who joined us after 120 first episodes, as he promised. So welcome Dan.
Has it been 120 already?
Yeah, definitely.
Well,
Around
thank
this
you.
number.
I'm not going to tell you all my secrets. In episode 120, I'll come again and tell you the rest of my secrets.
We can just jump on a call and do something. That's my favorite thing. Like hackathon and record it and try to build something fun. I think that would be cool.
You need to do like a very quick intro because we have stuff to do. We need to ship an app, man. It's a serious business. So okay, do the intro. Come on, tell me. What's the podcast? And who are you and who am I? And then let's build.
Okay. So this podcast is about building stuff and growing startups. And together with cool founders, we're trying to learn the ways to build $1 million plus startup. So Dan is one of such founders who already earned some money in the internet and loved by the whole Twitter. I think so. So today he will show all his secrets on how he ships his product so fast. So do you want to add some other words about yourself then?
That's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna use Shipixen and probably some Figma, but I don't know what we're gonna build yet. So let's see if it's gonna fit that. But I mean, we need to use it somehow. And then the goal for this is that I want the payment link at the end, and I want to make one internet dollar. So let's see if we can do that in 1 hour. We might not. But what are we building? I mean, we have a few suggestions. I have to say, not too great. So we have IKEA. I don't know how to do that. Link reminder app, a universal browser extension manager.
Let's probably start with the question like, what do you see like people building with Shipixen like most often? Is it some specific kind of product or?
Yeah, so a lot of the people are building products around content. So I think that could be, well, we have 1 hour, so we cannot make a lot of content, but it's a very good question. What about, doing a small piece of content? We can work on it together. It can be, okay, I figured it out. It could be a landing page, and then you have a lemon squeezy payment link. And then if you pay, we have to decide what you pay, but
Yeah,
we'll
I
figure
think the
that out.
question is like, what will be like this action for payment? Like why people will pay?
You get a PDF. That's what I want to say.
Okay, so that's
Yeah, isn't that good?
so we'll build it in public and we'll show it first and then put the link to it.
Wow, well, that's the problem. So, okay, we're gonna have. Okay, there is a. We can do it like this. We could build the rest of the stuff, but the PDF, we kind of take 5 minutes each. That's gonna be a weird. Are we streaming? Maybe. But we take 5 minutes each, and you do magic in post, and you cut that out, and then we create like some piece of content, and then we put it in the PDF. But we don't show this PDF. I mean, it has to have some value.
Okay, but we should like show some really great hook first, so they want to buy it.
Yeah. So yeah. Now, if this is it, and I think it's for 1 hour of work, I think this is pretty much what you can do, to be honest, because I mean, we're not gonna make a backend in 1 hour, I don't think, and I don't want to keep you throughout the entire Easter building this product. So it's good to scale down, and actually, it's good that you know this is a product too, and not all product needs to be like these crazy pieces of software or so on. So
Yeah,
um,
if we'll need to build some backend, we can also build some endpoints. So I can do it in parallel actually,
yeah,
if
we
it's
could do it.
really
We could do
small.
it together. Yeah,
If
yeah,
it's
yeah.
small, yeah.
But if we do the PDF, we don't even need that. And I kind of like this idea because a lot of the people that start and they come from a development background, they think it's not ready yet. We need this grand thing that does this thing and that thing, and then I can launch, right? And sometimes just your knowledge or your experience can be a product in itself, and you don't need to build this crazy thing around it to sell to make your first dollar on the internet to sell something, right? So
That's a great message actually. So you should
yeah,
start with really something that you can build in 1 hour.
yeah.
Okay.
So I'm kind of thinking like I like your content. You have a lot of like. Let me share you a secret. I remember this tweet you've made. Well, I can't. If now you can't put it in the PDF, so you need to think of something else. But you made this tweet that went kind of viral, where you told people, "Let me show you the secret," and it's like press on the reply button and engage with engage with people. You remember that? Yeah, you
Yeah,
do.
yes. I also had
Yeah.
the similar tweet about here is the top 3 reasons why they fired Sam Altman, and it was just a reference to itself.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Well, okay, yeah, but one of them is serious, one of them is a bit of a joke. But how about we do so we're gonna take some time and we share like a personal growth secret, something like that, like one thing that will help people be better at building a product, whatever it is. So it could be growth on X because we kind of have a lot of experience with that, right? But it could also be just when you build something. I said maybe I gave a secret before, which is don't build something huge. You don't have to start with that, but something along those lines that maybe we don't say that often, or people might not be aware. So, and then we each make one of those or two of those or whatever, and then we put it in the PDF. Then we make it, sell it, and we're good to go.
Okay. So when we will come up with the idea for this PDF, so like should we start from that? Or how do you usually work? Like should
You
we
know what?
start with the
We should start with the target audience, don't you think?
nice.
So I
And
think if
yeah, let's just and I'll say like my methods, so it will be a bit of secrets that we expose, right? Like how to come up with a great value proposition in a simple way. So the way how I like it to do it is like before, after, and before like you had a bunch of issues, like 1, 2, 3, and
awesome,
after you have a bunch of benefits.
this is
So
awesome.
yeah, now we should define this target audience and come up with these pros and cons.
Yeah, so I think in both of our Twitter bubbles, we're part of the Build in Public and Indie Maker. So I think if we are to make $1, it's easiest, and I'm not saying best, but it's easiest for us to appeal to indie makers, perhaps indie makers that are just starting and want to either build something or, okay, that's a bit generic, maybe indie makers that want to grow their reach, grow their following, something like that. So like how can you start and be better at growing on, let's just say X. Let's be very specific. Let's not make it too broad. So indie makers growing on X. What do you think?
Okay. So before and after, right? So now they probably like wasting a lot of time on tweets that do not perform. What do you think also? Like how do they struggle with the growth?
Yeah, so first picture is they post something and they get 1 like, and then they post something and they get 50 likes and 100 link clicks and 2 sales. Right, that's
Okay.
kind of okay.
After like a lot of notifications, like followers and payments, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And before, so basically they don't know like how to move and what to do. Yeah, that's the problem, like confusion.
Yeah.
So they already figure out that they want to use X to grow their product, but now they're confused.
Yeah.
How to do. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, so okay, if you want to do the YouTube viral thing, it's the worried, confused face, and then before don't know how to grow, and then after having much success with a lot of
So cool.
yeah.
Okay, so what's our plan? Like, you'll start sharing
Yeah,
Shipixen?
I can just share the screen.
Okay.
Well,
Actually, I thought that I was sharing the screen because I was writing this down.
no, you were not sharing it at
Okay.
all. Okay, I can.
That's good. They won't see it.
Okay, good. But I need that. Maybe let's do let me just open a Figma. Like I have like a random file here. God damn it, Figma. Okay.
So I'm
Okay.
here and I
Can you add stuff? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, great.
Okay.
Okay, so just put the text in there. So my usual flow is, and this is by all means not the correct flow, start with a name and a domain. And I think actually from the discussion that we had, like we need to make it very focused. It's not an app that we're gonna grow, right? So we can do something like one okay, it needs to be longer. One in the secret, for example. Let me see. If that's it doesn't matter if the .com is available because we'll get something else. So we say oneinthesecret.com
Okay.
is the name. What do you think?
Good one. And how did you come up with the name?
Well, we talked
Why is good?
we talked before about putting like a secret that we don't share in the PDF, but I think it also aligns the scope of this, so we're not like kind of deceiving people. Like you're not gonna get, I don't know.
Yeah, it's a good app, but I mean like SEO wise, like you probably also like put some knowledge here.
I would like to say that. Thank you for the compliment. I guess if you think about it, it does contain the target audience, and then it's easily, I think it's easily findable once you get ranking, because it's not, if you just create indies.com, right?
Yeah.
Let's say, or indies.so or indies.dev or indies.secret, let's say, I don't know if that's a domain, then you actually have a pretty slim chance for people to find you when they search. Like even if they want to search for you, they pretty much need to know the address. I think one indie secret is kind of specific enough. I mean, let me just quickly check, but I don't think.
Yeah, it's available. I'm ready to check out it.
You're buying it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so .com or what?
Yeah, .com.
That's crazy.
It's $10.
Okay, cool. Put it on the company account. Okay, so we have the domain. You're gonna buy it. I think so. Name, domain. We kind of have a good idea of the target group, which is like super important because we're gonna have to write some copy at some point.
Yes.
Then we have your ideas here. What we need is like a really simple logo. I'll just get like something generic. Like we need a logo because even if it's an emoji, you still need something for people to identify you. And then a text-only website just doesn't give me any sort of trust. I don't know if it's the same with you. So wait, so I have some, how do you call these?
So you already have some.
No, I don't, but there's like a plugin, so I'm just gonna
What's in this?
manage plugins. I think it's called Logo Ipsum. Yeah. This will do just fine. Let's see. Yeah, so let me know if you
Probably some kind of a box would be cool.
yeah, box.
Yeah, like or a gift, something like closed box.
Yeah. Okay, I'm looking for it. You're getting the domain, right?
Yes. So it's
Okay,
loading
good.
now.
Good. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, it looks like the MasterCard one.
Yeah, let's
It's
go.
good. Oh, it's good, but that's great. That's the MasterCard one is fantastic. You know what? Okay, I have a story for this then. It's because it's two of us, okay, and then we share like two secrets, and then you're the guy in the middle.
Nice.
Okay, I'll just make this a square. Actually, do an artboard. Put it in here. We got a logo, and then the name we said. Which domain did you get? Is it with the number or with the letters?
No, it's all words.
Okay, words. Sorry. Yeah. So one in the secret.com.
Yeah,
Like
yeah. For
that?
some reason it's still loading, but
Okay.
still.
Cool. So we have the logo, we have the secret. Let me see. Pixel perfect now. Okay, I don't care about the colors. We'll log. We'll export this later. I have these, like when you said you want to do the before and after, I have these viral thumbnails in a Figma file. I mean, they're not really. Oh, I just leaked my email. You'll cut that in post. Let's see. Let's see if we can get, because I don't want to design anything, but let's see if we can find something that works from here. Like some more marketing-ish ones. Like this could be it with the movie.
Is it for Open Graph image or for what?
Open Graph, but also like the main. I think I'm beginning to think the main image, like the main. Yeah, the main thing you see on the website. So okay, this could be something like pretty. Okay, here with the money, and then with the. I'm just gonna grab a few of these. Maybe this.
One upcoming question: will we need HTTPS certificate like through Cloudflare, or
No.
we good with it? Okay.
No. We're gonna deploy on Vercel, and we're gonna have to point it to the Vercel CNAME.
Okay. Yeah, I've got already the domain.
Okay. Cool.
It's actually not CNAME. It's CNAME plus a record. In this case.
Yeah. Great. So let's take your content and then put it into one of these. Kind of figure out what's our style. Maybe the money is a bit too much, but this one or this one. What do you think about this one, the yellow one?
Good one for content stuff. I think it's good.
Right?
Yeah.
So let's see what you said. Before, I'm gonna do it like, can I not select your text? Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm not.
No, it's fine. So let's say the blue thing could be, oh boy.
Yeah, I'll also not with this.
When you don't know.
Yeah, it always happens when designers send files because they use some weird fonts. I
Yeah.
mean, the good fonts.
Jesus. Okay. Okay. Enter everything. It's not like there's much of a difference. Okay. So before, that font was actually good. And it's bold. Wasting a lot of time. Can we make this shorter? Just wasting time on tweets that do not perform. Yeah, that could be the before. All right, I have some auto layout shenanigans. There we go. And then after, I hope the after is short. Followers, payments, and notifications. Okay. Followers, payments, and notifications.
Okay, and just to update on your on the status, so we're already on 17 minutes, so it means that we're around 25% of the time already.
Yep. Wait. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, good. Well, we have the important bit. I think we could also do a quick one here. Just saying the point, which is reveal, maybe here. Learn from successful indie makers how to become viral. Is that too much?
No, it's good. I actually recorded Elias' advice on that, so
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, he already exposed his secrets.
I don't really like the money one. That's kind of okay. Oh, that one. Oh, maybe I can put that in the PDF. Okay. I mean, he didn't trademark it, so I don't think he's gonna mind it. Okay, and then tell me one more thing that we want to share. So, we want people to be successful, right? Okay, so I think I used successful above or what? Nah, it's fine. Be successful with this one secret no one has shared with you. It's very cringe to write. But you're just going with it. You're not saying like, Dan, take it easy, man.
No, it's good. Yeah, let's go.
Okay. What is this background thing? Can I move it? Okay. Oh, wait. This is good. Okay, so we have some content. Like always start with the content and the target audience, right?
Yeah.
What about this emoji? It's kind of cringe. Let's do thumbs up, and let's do. No, that is making it less cringe, to be honest. And let's do stars. Yeah, that one. That's good. And then the one with the cash. Wait, tongue. Come on, money. Ah, there it is. That's what I want.
And this extension that's shown is Draycast?
It's Raycast. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just I like it better than the Apple emoji. Okay, cool. So we have this. Let's do which one is the open graph image? Out of these three, which one is you think is gonna perform the best?
Probably the first one.
This one?
Yeah, I don't know why. I can explain, but
What about this yellow thing? That works well, right? Maybe yellow is kind of our color. What's the logo? Yeah, orange. Let's do a bit more. Yeah. Okay, cool. Then if we do that, we can use all of them actually. We could use all of them. We can have like multiple sections, no problem. I just want to make this a little bit smaller so it's easier to read. Something like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to write some points for this like PDF that we'll do later in parallel, like some.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah. Well, you're gonna have to do something while I write it, but okay. Anyway, so we have that. The OG image is a bit wider, something like this. Do you know? It's like,
I would say.
Is it 800 or 600? I can't think 600.
I think it's 1230 on 600.
1230. Okay.
Yeah, it's some weird.
Okay, cool. Let's just fit this in.
Oh no, I missed it. So it's 1200 to 630.
Oh, the other way around. Okay. Cool. Actually, should have made a freaking frame. 1200 to 630.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And the font's gonna be busted, but figure that out. 40. Bigger. Always go bigger if you can.
Yeah. So you might check like to zoom out and see how it looks in small size.
Yeah. I think it's decent.
Probably it can be a bit like bolder.
Extra bold. Yeah?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we got our OG image, and then we should keep these.
By the way, it's so already interesting that you started with Figma and with stuff like this, because I wouldn't do that. I probably will jump into like creating the page.
So yeah, that's kind of what I think. This is the basis of what you do is who are you doing it for and what do you want to say to them. I mean, we did it very quick. You should spend more time on it usually, but it would be the same workflow. And then also visually, I like to start from a visual perspective, as long as it doesn't take too much time, and then you just have to say, okay, this is it for now, and then you change it later, but have some sort of visual idea on it. Okay, so I'll just export all this stuff, and then
and while doing it, I would also explain how I would do it. It's like framework that I'm using again and again now. So I would just collect like probably 10 references, 10 websites that doing the same thing, and trying to understand what they have in common, and basically try to rip off the best parts.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I got these. I mean, okay, we have the product itself. We have two choices now. We can either do the product itself, and then I need to think a little bit about. I have some ideas, but I need to like take 5 minutes to think about them, and then we can start building the website. That's going to be the simplest part, I promise. Maybe we should do the actual product. I can stop sharing the screen, and then you could put it somewhere in there. Let me do that.
Let's probably write down like what would be the absolutely necessary steps just to not miss.
Okay. So we're done with the image. We have kind of the content. We're gonna have to finish up the product, which is a PDF, and write the content. Then we're gonna have to build a website. That's gonna be pretty easy. And then once it's built, we're gonna have to replace some of the content and tweak it, because it's gonna be a lot of AI generated things, and there might not be, they might not be exactly what we want.
Okay, so we're going to generate it with AI product content.
Yeah. So with Shipixen, you can turn on this thing that generates your landing page, and then you can say make content with AI, and it's gonna make everything with AI. So we have like a nice starting point, and then we're gonna use the content in here.
Okay.
to kind of fill in the gaps and change it. So there's going to be a bit of content work at the end, and then I mean we can share it already on Twitter, right?
Yeah.
I can share this too. We can share it on Twitter, and then we can actually do the content while people are checking it out and giving us feedback, right? So
Good.
that's what we can ask, like, what do you think about the content? Okay, so let's do this. So you said we're not live anywhere, right?
Yeah, fortunately.
Okay, we take 5 minutes, and then I write a bit of content, and then we get back to this.
Okay.
Okay, do you have your content ready?
No.
Okay, let's take 5 minutes.
You
put
meant
it put
5 minutes to write something, yeah?
to write something, and then we make the PDF.
Okay.
I'll just write it, and you can take another corner. I was just thinking that if I see what you write, I'm gonna get distracted, so
Okay.
that's fine. Okay. So we basically created the product. We could just sell it on Lemon Squeezy, but we're gonna make a landing page for it too. So let me start screen recording. Don't show this. Okay.
Yeah, I'll probably start with it and it will be blurry.
Okay. Don't go to that part of the document. Okay, cool. You can cut it. Let me. Oh, stupid. Let me try to bring Lemon Squeezy on this screen. I don't know why it doesn't want to go there. Come on. Okay, cool. So let's make a new product. Call this one in the secret. We have the copy in the Figma file, but let me just split it. Where did it go? No. Jesus. Okay.
Do you remember this Windows thing that says like it is ready and you can just even cancel it?
Yeah. Takes me back. Well, you can say in the you can say half of the time was spent on getting Figma to take half the screen so I can copy the content. Okay, so this one here, learn how to, oh boy. 1 second.
And just to explain for others who probably don't know what Lemon Squeezy is. So Lemon Squeezy is a way to accept payments easily. So it's a competitor to Stripe. And the difference with Stripe that it's a merchant of record. So it means that they serve taxes for you. Is correct?
Yes, exactly. So you basically don't have to worry about VAT or anything like that. Okay.
And also, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just writing the description, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna write. Now we know a little bit more about the product, so I'm just gonna be honest about it. So I'm gonna say at least one secret from will make you more successful on X. Okay? And I'm just gonna link ourselves from some social proof, huh? That's me.
Yeah,
Now we're
mine
gonna find out
is-
if I know. No, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it.
Yeah, I mean,
Don't
it's
say
bad.
it. Don't say it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Who do you think
But I
you're
need to
talking
change it.
to? Okay, pricing. Think fast. I said $1 is a good amount, but you need $1 too. I need $1. Lemon Squeezy needs $1, so it's $2.99.
Okay. Well,
And then you see, we're already using the media here. Like you need something. You need something. So that's why I start with it. Then we don't have to like waste time.
yeah, it's great.
There it is. We can put others actually. Should we put more or just this one? Up to you.
I don't know. I'm not very familiar with these pages. That's
Okay, I'll show you how it looks. So this is basically it. We have this is like the overall product, and then you can add variants to it and give it like different options. I don't think we want to do that. The confirmation, I don't think we want to do that. I'm just looking for single payment. I think we need to add a variant actually. No, here, files. Okay, so your customers will be given access to the files after purchase. That's basically it. So I just upload the PDF here. Yeah. And Igor and Dan, thank you for your support. Let's do this one. And I don't, nothing else. I could do the same in the email, I guess. Cool. We got the product. So right now, this is like it's like a proper product. You have a share button here. This is like on a random store that I have, right? So you would normally have to apply for a lemon squeezing account. This is just like Dan store. So when I launch random stuff, I put them here. So and a lot of the stuff that I do starts with random things. So I have this share URL, and then if I go to it, it looks like this. So you see the image goes here, so you could have a slideshow. That's why I asked if you want more, but this is fine. We have this. I mean, we can do a call to action. We can work on the marketing. Like we should have agitated the problem and all of those things, but get instant access to a PDF after purchase. Yeah.
Yeah. Remove
We're good.
An A before access.
Well,
Get instant access without.
Oh
A.
yeah. Okay, got it. Okay, cool. So we have it. I'll keep this open, the share thing, because we're gonna need it later. Let's build the freaking website. We spent too much time on this. Yeah.
Yeah, but we still have 42 minutes, so it's good.
So this is like it's a gamble for me because this is an unreleased version of Shipixen. So it's I hope it's gonna work, Igor, but we'll find out together. I literally built it before this show. So like being on the edge, one in the one in the, how was it? Secret? Like this?
Yeah, one is secret.
Okay. And the page title, let's grab that from here. Where is Shipixen? So learn from successful indie makers how to become viral. Maybe even without this. And then, yeah, let's just use the copy here.
Makes sense.
I think we could maybe add. Okay.
Let's probably use the last line, like get instant access to PDF
Yeah,
file.
exactly. Yeah. To a PDF file with secrets that no one else have told you. Yeah.
I'm reading what's your suggestion. No need.
So get instant access. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. One thing that I recommend and that you're doing here is to start with the verb. So it's probably the easiest way, like to put the copy. So then you speak in like to your target audience. So I was just like reading through your tips to see what you suggest.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna add the lemon squeezy and say buy now. Should we do I'm not sure about this, but should we do the amount in the button? I think that could work to our advantage here because it's very cheap.
Yeah.
And we could do $2.99 also.
Cool.
Huh? Good?
Yeah.
Okay, and then this is what I was telling you. Like you could do generate landing page, generate content with AI.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
include, we can put the image up there. All good. Blog
Are you
list,
using some very like new features now, like you mentioned that you just built, or they're not visible?
the result of this is new, so I completely revamped the landing page component system, and the UI here is a little bit different. Like there are a couple extra toggles, but the new part is inside, you know. So
Okay, cool.
okay, so the name of the product. Oh, can we do one? Can we do it like this? One indie secret? That'd be cool. Let me do. Wait. No. How do you call this one? Oh, this one. I do it like that.
I think it's
Okay.
talent. Yeah.
Yeah. And let me pick the logo. So yeah, this is what you get. You get like you see the logo. You see how it is in dark mode. You see the colors. Let's do some yellow. This is blue. Let's do the other way
I wonder,
around.
how did you like pick these palettes? Is it like some open source list of colors?
No, I made them by hand, but they are based on the Tailwind colors.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's sort of the result, but they kind of work well together, and just, you know, trial and error.
Do you have an answer why Tailwind's gray color looks like blue?
Yes, it's because we don't have these colors in nature. So in nature, we don't have like perfect gray or perfect black or perfect white. You kind of have like when something is dark, it's very rarely pitch black. It has like a shade of something, and it's more often shade of purple or dark blue or something like that. So
Okay.
that's the answer.
Pass the exam.
Okay, you knew it. You're just testing me.
No, I
Okay.
actually didn't know. I didn't know.
So here we have pages. We don't want a blog. I mean, not for this product. We don't want a pricing page. We don't want about privacy and terms. That's fine.
In the block, it's written with MDX.
Blog is an MDX. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we don't need any of these links. That's fine. And then maybe in the footer, let's just add our Twitters again. No?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So that Igor like this?
Yeah.
Igor Twitter. I have the shortcut, if
Yeah,
you've
I see it.
noticed. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like it's
I
a
was going
lifesaver.
and you configured it via Raycast too?
No. This is like native iOS and macOS. You can do these I don't know how they call them, like these quick words that get replaced to something else. I'll figure it out.
Got it.
Anyway, I don't care about the rest of the stuff. Let's just generate it. And fingers crossed that's gonna work. So what's happening now is that all of these the text that we put, the content that we put is fed into a prompt that's gonna use the component system and generate a complete landing page and the terms and then, you know, the footer and so on, and like also UI components that use the theme that we selected. And at the end of this, which should be, if it works, hopefully soon, we get a deploy link to Vercel. We click it, and yeah, so now it's the AI part. We click it, and then we have the website. Then I'm gonna add the domain in Vercel, and then you configure it in Cloudflare. And while I do that, I'm gonna clone it locally, so then we can tweak the copy a bit and get it done. But at some point in this process, we can already share it with people and try to get a sale. I don't know if we're gonna get lucky or not, but worth trying.
The main
So-
thing for payments is the first mover. So if you have something crazy enough to buy it first,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I'm a bit concerned because it did take like this takes longer than it usually takes. So I'm like, yeah, let's see. It should have worked by now. So, you know, I took a gamble with the secret with the secret build. Hopefully he's gonna return. There's usually like there is a chance that the ChatGPT API becomes a bit slow as well, but hopefully we're not gonna get that. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Crossing all my fingers.
Can you debug it also, like in this build, like open console? Or how do you do this?
Sorry, when you
How do you debug like the app in Electron? So you open the DevTools
you
or what?
can yeah you can actually open DevTools. Yeah, I mean I don't know if I can. Yeah, maybe I could do it here. Like this one is a local build, so maybe I can, but well,
I
we'll
actually
just give it a
built.
moment.
I spent pretty much time building the apps in JavaScript, but back then it was not WebKit, and then it's was renamed to NWJS.
Yeah.
So yeah, I actually built a time tracker, like with screenshots and stuff, and I was working a few years with this time tracker too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, yeah, it's taking longer than usual, and I'm kind of thinking I should restart it and do it again because if the AI thing hanged for some reason, then as probably no point to wait. So let me just take a look. I have another screen here, and I think I'm gonna use that just so I don't share like you know
Okay.
my email and stuff. Okay, so I restarted something, and now I'm just gonna
Check comments value.
oh yeah, good idea. Yeah, good idea. Okay. Okay, let's give it a retry. Let's see. Yeah, this looks a lot better now. I have some secret tools. But in post, you can pretend it worked from the first time. I'm joking. You can show the whole thing. Um, it's usually the AI stuff that can break, and
Yeah, they're actually
the
pretty. Oh, cool.
yeah, I do see. I don't know how to share this to you, but I do see that there was an error. So we can do deploy to Vercel, but it kind of looks like the GPT thing didn't work as I expected. Let me take 1 second to verify if that's true or not.
Okay. I actually see a lot of comments.
On my, yeah, can you tell me some of the comments?
Built photo AI, but for videos using Runway.
Okay.
Yeah, an easy one.
Yeah, we can definitely do that in the last 5 minutes we have. How much time do we have?
I think it's 10 minutes, so it's 49 minutes so far.
Okay. I think we can deploy it by then. Yeah, so let's see the GPT gods. Maybe they work with me.
Yeah, there are a lot of good options. I probably will just answer all the comments on the screen.
Okay, but I got it. I got it now. I got it, Igor. Okay, so here's how it works. I'm gonna open a new tab. 1 second. I'm gonna try to do it side by side, but basically, can I do it side by side? Basically, you click the deploy to Vercel button, and it opens up this thing in Vercel. I'm gonna call it one indie secret, and then you press create, and then Vercel sets up the repository and everything. It actually goes into your GitHub, and then it did that, and now it's gonna deploy it. Gonna build it and deploy it, and then once we get that, actually, I'm not sure if we can do it in parallel, but we need to set up the DNS so we have it ready, because if we want to share this,
Yes.
we need a domain, right? We cannot share the Vercel thing.
Yeah, I'll need this IP address.
Yeah. It is gonna take. It usually takes 2 minutes or so as well. I think I'm gonna wait because I've experimented enough for today with the build I haven't tested, which, well, at least it worked in the end. That's fine. But
It's a good thing, especially
it,
before like client meetings to deploy something. I'm like,
yeah, that's the pro level of development when you just
yeah.
push. It's also Friday, by the way.
Yeah,
So
that's actually a good thing. Yeah, we deploy something on Friday
yeah,
evening.
always, always, always. By the way, I like this Vercel like
Oh
status
yeah, it's
thing
just
where
added, yeah, like a few
yeah,
weeks ago or something.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it's super cool because you don't see all this random stuff. Like you just get a peek of what's going on. I'm a bit of a Vercel fanboy, but you're what are you using?
yeah, I'm also using Vercel for momentum. You had some
Oh
error.
no, oh no, oh no, oh no. The build failed, but no problem.
Yeah, I
I'm
have
gonna.
some momentum. It's like about six different apps on Vercel.
Mhm. So the build failed. It's the experimental stuff, but don't worry. I will just GitHub clone it, fix it, and push it.
Nice.
So
Yeah,
it's
I
all
think it's
part.
also will be interesting for people to see because not everyone sends GIFs and stuff.
Yeah, I mean, when you have like a official build, you you don't have to care that much about this, but I actually wanted to do this new thing because it completely changes how the landing pages are made, and they're more focused on the marketing and conversion side. So I'm trying to bring this window in without much success. So you see the command line as well, but maybe now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now
Okay. Okay, so I'll just go here. I'm gonna clone the repository.
what is that command?
Git clone?
No, like that Git.
Z?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a thing that matches your free synced files.
Mhm.
So it's kind of magic. It basically knows where you go and where you last go, and kind of figures out when you say Z GitHub, it knows to navigate to the folder where I put GitHub repositories usually.
Is it a third-party tool or
It's a
what
script. It's a bash script.
yeah.
So it's called rupa-z.
Okay, cool.
I could link it afterwards. It's
Yeah.
actually not easy to find. Speaking about SEO, it's like Z is such a
And
bad name for it, but it's the most awesome tool. Okay, so I know what the problem is. It's basically one of the changes that I've made doesn't allow not having any links in the header. So I can show you. It's kind of a stupid thing. I will do the same. So look here. You ready? If
yeah,
I do Z indie, this is crazy,
nice. Yeah.
right? And then now I can do code dot. It's like super like efficient.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. So okay, so I'm in here and I'm pretty sure the problem is in header nav links here, which are basically empty.
Mhm.
And then if I go to header, let me see. Yeah, see, it's basically saying
Okay.
this one doesn't have the correct type. So I think okay, an easy fix for this is just to say this is an array of. So you can imagine this is like not a bug that you will ever get unless yeah. So now it's fixed, and now I can push this.
I'm actually still using raw JavaScript, no TypeScript.
You're not using TypeScript?
No.
Well, it would build for you.
What? TypeScript?
Well, no. I mean, if I didn't use TypeScript, this would build, of course, because it's
Ah, yeah.
it's kind of a stupid error. It's just saying that an empty array will never have a title and a href,
Right.
right?
Oh,
Which is
yeah, I understand.
yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
actually spent like first 2 years of development with C Sharp,
Hmm.
and like back 10 years ago, it was pretty much the same as TypeScript today. So it's pretty weird for me to use TypeScript because I like went away from C# to JavaScript for this anarchy and freedom.
So yeah, I know. Yeah, you cannot like agree with yourself to
Yeah, to
go
type
back to
extra stuff. Yeah.
It's like betrayal of your choice. Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
All right, but I think once while this is building, let's set up the domain because it's gonna
Yeah.
build.
I actually already added
So
CNAME, but I'll need a.
I think I need to add it here if it agrees with me. So one indiesecret.com. Oops. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And I usually do the
Yeah,
not the
I did the
W.
same.
Yeah.
I don't know why they recommend the other way.
Oh, you also need this one, but this one's good. You did very well, Igor. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember it. It's all the same.
And you need CNAME for the WW.
Yeah.
Should I copy paste this?
No, it's
Okay.
already here.
Let's see the freaking same issue on the on the search. A bit annoying. There we go. So if we were levels and basically didn't have any of this stuff as you would, then this would never be a problem. We would have no types whatsoever. Well, let me see. Okay, this ID, name, keyword section.
I think it's good that we also face back, so it will add a bit of interesting parts to the video.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna show that we haven't staged any of this thing. But okay, are we still under an hour though, or we're just about to pass
it? 56 minutes.
Okay. I think we're good. We're good. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually fix the issue. We have the domain. I mean, we have it locally, so let's take a look at the content while this builds. So it's gonna be, I think 6006 is the default port. Whoops. I spoiled the surprise. Okay, so it looks like this. This is what we put in, right? Remember?
Yes,
we have the bylink. Bylink actually goes to lemon squeezy, right? Like this header is perfect. We just missed the image. So let me put the image. While I find that, this is like the rest of the stuff that it generated. You can, if you want, I mean, just read it and tell me if it's really bad while I find the image. Okay.
The best thing that it doesn't use this, let's say, curse words from ChatGPT, like revolutionize or stuff like that.
Curse ChatGPT words, yeah. I love that.
It's probably not very true what it says, like community support, continuous updates.
Yes. So we need to definitely change those. Okay. Remember it. Just go through it and remember it.
Yeah.
This is maybe a bit too much. This is good with unlock secrets, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm good. If you have some pointers, I'll just go mobile and have the code next to it. Here. Let's see if it's freaking deployed finally, so we can tweet it. Where is it? Yes, it's deployed. I'm gonna go and check the DNS. What's here? Where is it? Domains. Yes. Did you go to oneindiesecret.com? We're rolling. We're there, Igor. We're there. So if you want, you can already share this.
Okay.
Yeah. And in the meantime, I'm gonna swap this image here. Let's see. And I'll show you the code too. So page, it's a little bit small. Let me just, yeah. Okay, so we can see like what this actually ended up as, and we can see that basically the content was filled in, and then we're reusing this new component system that I was blabbing about initially. And then we have this image src, so we're just going to change this to, I think, 1.png is what we called it. Yeah, there we go. Then also let's change the OG image. So we have metadata here. And this is, let me just make sure, localhost 6006/static/image/
Check the
OG.
yeah, OG image is good.
No, it did something wrong. OG images. Yes, okay. Let's go back here. Yeah, we need the OG images. That's like, okay. So you've oh, damn it, you've basically one in the secret.com. But could we say that it's launched? Could we say that it's built? Yeah, okay. What was the time? I mean, it was like 1 minute ago or something.
Yeah, it's actually 1 hour 33 seconds. So
God damn it. We have to do this again. Wait a second.
So my tweets will say, are you an indie maker struggling with growth on X? Check out this exclusive guide on how to go viral, built by me and Dopamine, all under 1 hour, at least one secret included.
Okay, cool. Okay, and while this is happening, we kind of need to change the content because it's a bit untrue, right? So we cannot have that. Okay, I just want to check the OG image situation, and I'm gonna push this right away because we're gonna have to reset it on Twitter, but I think it's good. It's good. It's all good. So let me just push this. With all the images, and then this is gonna take a minute. Then we need to go to the Twitter debug.
Do you mean like to replace the OG image?
Yeah. You know
usually Google is careful data.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yeah, but it has to build again. So let's just.
Yeah, I mean it already has a nice image, so I think it's the default, right?
Yeah. That's the default with Shipixen. I mean, it's not bad, but I want ours.
Yeah, sure.
Ours. Okay, so in about a minute we're gonna have to spam this one in the secret. We should have called it many in the secrets.com. Okay, cool. So let's go to the content now. And I don't think we need the lemon squeezy stuff anymore. You said, what did you say? You said this one, master the art of virality. Maybe a bit too much, but let's see. Expert secrets, learn from the best in the industry and implement strategies. And get actionable examples right away. Was that good?
Yeah, definitely.
Step-by-step guidance is not really true, but it's like easily digestible. Perfect. Simple examples that
just work.
Yeah. Proven techniques. Yeah, that's good. This is basically saying learn what has worked for Dan and Igor in the past year of being active on social media. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then let me just swap this image to .png. You see these images, you didn't believe in me. You didn't believe in me, but look at this now.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we already progressed. Let's push this. Add second section. Okay, cool. And then let's spam the card validator a few times in the meantime. Hopefully we're gonna get the new OG. Okay, that should do it. Next one, exclusive secret revealed. Get instant access to PDF file unlocking insider tips that will propel your success. This is still a bit heavy, but it's good. Tell me what to write here.
Yes. Propel.
Propel is too, like,
Yeah.
you know.
This is to put a PDF file and start growing today. What about that?
And PDF file and start growing today. What about your content that we had in the beginning? We probably need something there. Where's my Figma? There's my GPT. Okay, I found the Figma. I don't know how to bring it here. Okay. Okay. I'll just, there we go. Okay. So this here is completely wrong. This is like no more guessing. Oh, I love AI. And no more guessing and do right?
Okay. Good one.
Okay. Okay, the next one you had here was
Confused.
more notifications. No, more engagement. Yeah?
Yeah.
With these tips, get more engagement than you can handle. Huh?
or with these tips, be ready for 20 plus notification daily.
Oh, I like that.
Showing a bit of
Be
insight.
ready for 20 plus notifications. No. Look. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Very bold.
Good. What else we have? Followers. Okay. Followers and sales. And this is more like get unstuck and start growing your followers and sales. How about that?
Good.
Okay. Let me get back to this 3.png. We just had 3 photos, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay, where's it's beautiful. Yeah, I don't need the dev tools. So good. Let's get started with our free tier. Wait. Let's read these a bit. 30% off. That's a lie. Let me just change that to, I forgot about those. And product of the day is a lie as well, but let's do this. Let's do, we can do soon to be product of the day. Okay, it's a bit long. Soon product of the day. Okay.
And now I want also to invite Sandra and to ask her to write an email sequence, so it will be one
Yeah, exactly,
day.
exactly. Yeah. Okay. I can do 20 customers only, and then say we need to create some sort of scarcity, like so limited to the next 48 hours. Huh? No,
Nice.
no, 24. Okay, so we have this here.
Lara just commented, so you guys just build it and it's already product of the day. Unbelievable.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. Here we have users is just us two, I guess, that have seen it. So from 2 happy users, but we have 3 photos. We should put our photos maybe.
Yeah,
I
we
should
can
have
put us Lara's photo.
we could put Lara. Okay, okay, Lara. Did you buy it though? I mean, I don't. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, good, good, good. Then 7-day free trial. Let's delete that. I mean, it's and there is a credit card required. Okay, okay. It could be get instant access though. Get instant access. That's a good call to action. Down here, and this section we don't have images anymore, so it's just deleted, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. Let's keep it short.
Yeah, yeah, this whole thing. What do you think about the looks and everything?
Good, good.
Yeah. Okay, so this thing, it's technically, I mean, I give it a 5. How much do you give it?
At least 5, yeah.
Okay, and Lara maybe also 5, so it's 5 out of 5.
Can we do 6 out of 5?
Well, yeah, let's actually do that. Where is 6 out of yeah. Good. Nice. Okay. And then I have one more call to action here. Unlock secret. Supercharge is the swear word, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
From indie makers that have gained thousands of followers and sales. Okay. This looks good. We can maybe take out the background. Boom. And then that we don't need another call to action here. That's good. And we have the reviews. I'm grateful for the insight shares by Dan and Igor. They truly transformed my approach to indie making. Question.
Let's say what our customer will say.
Yeah. Good. What our customers will say. Okay, let me do a push in case someone's visiting this. What our customers will say and other tweaks. Great commit message. Oops. Okay.
Yeah.
We're almost at the bottom. We have a lot of features, and we
Yeah, I think we can remove.
we can remove part.
Yeah, but it was interesting to see like how it's all organized, like through the components. So it was nice demo, I think.
Yeah, and frequently asked questions. Is the content unique? Yes.
Super unique.
By Dan and Igor, that's a nice catch. Can I access on multiple devices? Of course. These are good.
No problem.
Additional resources. I actually wanted to do the video, so this is kind of spot on. Okay. Together with the PDF, we will in the future release behind the scenes video showing how we made this. What about that?
Nice.
Okay, push it. Are we done? Okay, there's the footers done.
Do you have Like something to add analytics quickly?
On what?
Analytics.
On this
Post,
website? Oh yeah,
yeah,
if
post
I
hoc or
can.
something.
No, I can just enable Vercel Analytics.
Oh, cool.
Can I? Yeah, yes, it's good. Yes, it should work right away, right? And then I need to, huh?
I never used actually the Vercel Analytics,
I think it should work right away.
but so the Vercel Analytics is built by two guys, at least two guys, who built Split B Analytics, and that's one of the products that I copied in Momentum. So Momentum Analytics all started from like looking up to Split B that eventually became Vercel Analytics. But I copied them only after Vercel acquired them, so it's fair play.
Yeah, fair play. Yeah. I think it should work. So we either no, but I mean I'm here. Igor, I'm sorry. We shipped too late. We have dark mode. Uh,
Nice.
I'm sorry. Yeah, dark mode looks neat. Looks neat. Okay, it's still building probably. Oh, there it is. Hey, analytics.
Nice.
Okay. I will. Whoops. I will go on my email and now wait for the lemon squeezy. Okay, I'll write a tweet and then we can close it off. But maybe if we're lucky, we get a sale in the meantime. Okay?
Yeah.
So Igor and I have built. Okay, no. 1 hour.
And it was streaming all the time.
Was it streaming? Really?
Yeah, I just saw a mention of us,
Yeah.
and it has 68 views, so it was good.
Nice. Okay. Well, I hope I didn't reveal my credit card info, but okay. So 1 hour 33 seconds, right?
Yeah.
Is that correct? Have you looked? 1 hour. This is how long? Okay. Well, let me just move this because it's not that interesting for you if you don't see it. So, mind blown. Igor and I built a product that you can actually buy and a complete web page from scratch. We made a logo. We made content, and then we made promotional images and deployed it while doing a podcast.
It's awesome. I also
Which
find it
was
interesting that you're writing tweets, so I think people also can learn something, not just watch.
yeah, sure. I want to just do a screenshot. No, indie hackers, what the hell? Well, one indie secret. I really dig this logo though. Like, this is probably used by a million people, but okay.
Actually, Lara prepared some options for logo.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know we're live. I didn't I had no idea. I would have been a completely different approach, but let me just make this. Oh, this one. That's the business. Save it. And then I'm gonna put the link in the tweet. Wait, where's my screenshot? Please stand by. I lost the screenshot. There it is. Okay. Okay, and then in the subtweet. Okay, and then see, check it out at, and oh, the OG is there. It's awesome. So, reflections, Igor.
reflections, like how it was, or what?
Yeah, like what do you think about the whole process? I've
Uh,
learned a lot, to be honest.
yeah, and we learned also to stream videos today, I believe.
Without knowing.
Yeah. It's
What,
actually pretty interesting. Yeah, I hope that we just not showed something secret from your desktop. I mean, uh,
yeah, yeah. I mean, in hindsight, we shouldn't have shared the PDF. Like we
yeah, it was good.
probably,
It was good. Okay, so the process. So I like that we start from Figma. So it's not something that I would do normally. So it's something to consider, like to prepare probably some templates for the future, because it's something that is needed. Like yeah. So it's this one part that I loved. Then I love that we had this deadline, so we actually created something, and it shows like the power of deadlines and not
hmm
wasting too much time, so we can actually validate. And probably someone will, I don't know, ask us to do an upgrade or something. So it's possible, like you never know. So deadline helps, and you proven that. It's cool that it didn't work from the very beginning, so you show how you fixing it, and we learn how you coding.
yeah,
You learn that you use TypeScript, for
yeah.
example,
That
and that you
was
actually understand programming.
like more, yeah. Well, yeah, that's a plus. Like I would have liked it to be smooth, but then I really wanted this like early build because I think the new landing page stuff is really awesome. I'm super excited about this, and I wanted to have it ready for this thing. Oh, actually, one image here. Wait, we forgot one image here.
Actually, you can say that it's built with Shipixen, so it will be a good section.
Oh yeah, I could do that. No. We stay on
Okay.
the. So let's do the first one again. Yeah,
Hmm.
and
Yeah. And
yeah,
also, like going back to reflection. So, and also one other thing that people who watching can learn is mm, how like how you and probably me in some points like we were creating content, like how we writing the messages, like we discussed, like starting with a verb. So it's a lot of small subtle things that I think mm, viewers can learn from this stream. And I probably will add some descriptions later as clips.
yeah.
So it was good and intense, right? So I like it.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite funny how time flies because you think we used a lot of like stock things and essentially just had a little bit of content, but then you told me at some point, oh, we already what 17 minutes,
Yeah.
and I realized we don't have much, but actually we did because once you had the content and once you had these images, the rest of the copy here wasn't that hard to do because we kind of had something to back it up. So I think it turned out all right. I mean, let's be honest, no one should do a product in 1 hour. I think it's quite crazy, but at the extreme, you can do it. It's just if you have the idea, the takeaway is you don't need to spend, days, weeks, months before you release something. You could do a pre-order link and release it right away and get the feedback on that, right?
Yeah, thanks. Definitely. Yeah, no, like it's and probably like if we had uh, like a proper system or plan like before. So one of the things that we brainstorm what we are going to build in the very beginning. So it's all very sporadic, but usually you will have like the idea of what you're going to build, some pieces of the content already in your head, and probably some plan. So it's probably even viable in 1 hour if you like already got this preparation before. So you're just mechanically doing stuff.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Um, I just checked the Morning Maker Show Discord, and apparently, Ilias he saw that we're using his his tweet, and then
You
he
want
said,
percentage?
"Yeah, he said that it's a copyright theft in broad daylight." So Yeah. I'm
Nika just commented on Twitter. I enjoyed that moment when Igor said, "I'm streaming this all the time." Surprised then, really?
well, it didn't make a difference, did it? But yeah, okay. So just for, are we still streaming? Because then
Yeah,
I can
yeah, I
address.
guess so.
Okay, okay, cool. So we started, and we were supposed to start at 6, and then we tried for 10 minutes or a bit over 10 minutes to set up the streaming, and then Igor said, "Okay, this is kind of complicated,
Yeah.
and we probably don't have to set it up. I put some URL and I don't know if it's working. So let's just record normally and we're gonna make it a podcast." But apparently we're streaming the whole time, and the part where I wanted to not share the screen while we were writing the stuff should have been it would have been a brilliant idea, because now everyone saw what we wrote in the PDF.
No,
But
I think we actually, so we weren't sharing all the time. So there is a few seconds when somebody can find it, but we're good, I think.
yeah, if people can get back in the stream and kind of
Yeah. And
okay,
so
okay. I wonder what else is in there. Hey, you learn. This is how you learn. But I think for the most part, I was quite cautious with what I shared. So,
okay, cool.
well, I'll let you know.
Okay, so and also usually I would ask like to pitch you Shipixen, but we had, I think, the perfect pitch for Shipixen because we've built a thing there. So probably what are plans, like what are the next features that you're going to implement, or what you're thinking about?
Yes, so I think it's a perfect pitch. I mean, of course, once this gets polished, which is probably next week, to be honest, you'll be able to generate these landing pages. And it's not only the landing pages that you'll get, but it's the entire component system behind it. And I know there are a lot of developers that have a hard time with design. I don't know if you're like that too. And they're made so they work well together. And you can see even these are kind of random, but they fit well together. They're responsive. They work great in dark mode. And I want to expand with templates on those. So I can actually show you some of those, I
Go
think.
if you have time. Yeah.
Maybe it's just locally. It might be deployed somewhere, but locally for sure. Oh, okay. So this is going to be one part of the release, which is an entire overview of what these components are and how you can use them. So you can see here in the sidebar, like from call to action, it's like a library for building landing pages. So you have, the product hunt, the word, every single thing is basically part of this, testimonials and so on. And you have different usage examples and how you could essentially put these, and it's quite simple. Like you see, like the lines of code are, well, they're minimal. Most of the code is the people. Yeah, the content. Yeah, exactly. So it's really focused on doing content, and there's so much you can do with these. So I'm really excited about it. And you can see like the use of primary and then secondary colors. It's all that it is. It doesn't impose that much design if you want. So of course there are gonna be options to change typography and so on. But the theme that you chose in Shipixen basically allows you to do all of these, and it's just the play with the primary and secondary without too much, imposing of design. But then you have the code anyway, so you can do whatever you want. And this product hunt component is my favorite, by the way. It's great. Okay, so this is like the overview of the library. And then the templates, I have a few of them, so let me see if I can.
Yeah, let me add here that I really love like this structure. So I see it like more and more often now, but it's still not like a big trend. I think it's something that Tailwind started to, right? Like with Tailwind UI. So the like system is pretty good, but I think we'll see like more and more products like these that focus in the content while giving you like ready-made components in all different forms. So here it's code, like the same in Momentum, like we have it like in not code, but just a switcher. And we see like UI libraries with that stuff. So I think that's the right way to go.
Yeah, exactly. Well, this is still fairly targeted at developers for
Yes.
now. I think one of there are many ways to expand this product. I think once this is in place, you can actually use AI to put these together as well, and not just to connect the content. So that's definitely something I want to try. But then another thing is, after you build this, perhaps you're a freelancer that does a lot of these, or and I think this is also quite useful for that use case. You can actually hand it over to a client, and then they can have some sort of CMS on top, and then use it for that. So that's definitely a direction that this could go. But for now, it's very much focused on developers and people building things, people getting down and dirty with the code, and that's also what I focus on, that because I know that the best, if it makes sense. So I kind of know this target group, and I build it because I have identified these problems in my own work, right? And I have identified how much time I spend configuring boilerplate. I've always used boilerplates, and I've slowly built mine and copy pasted components left and right. But every time you start a new project, I think this is what we showed today. Every time you start a new project, it's such a heavy burden to get in the technical setup, and you can easily get demotivated and not focus on the product. But Igor, I have great news for you.
Okay, so we have sale.
We have a sale. I don't know how to share it without revealing the person's email. I keep trying. Okay, I got it. So Igor, we made our first dollar, man, on the internet.
Nice. Let me, or you will do a screenshot.
No, you do it too. You do it too. I'll do it. I'll do it. I mean, that's freaking awesome. Did you take it, or should I stop? You got it?
Yeah, I read it. I took it.
Okay, cool. So let me just. Where my hunted space? Right. Okay. And you had this very cool text. I'll just go. You see, you're in my fast dial here. You had this cool text. Not here. Oh, this is awesome. When you announced this, you tweet a lot, man. You announced this, and you said something like, "We are gonna learn how to make." No, you announced it in the Morning Maker show, or that's where we tweeted, and we put you in the newsletter, I think. And then you said something like, "You figured out how to make internet money." Do you remember
Yes.
that content?
Yeah.
Do you have it? Because I really like that. Okay, let me check the Morning Maker show newsletter. Morning Maker show newsletter. Or maybe it's on the website even. Oh, now you're seeing all my DMs too. Good job, Dan. Yeah. Okay, let me just go to the last episode. 29, I think.
Oh, it's also a nice promo
No.
for Morning Maker Show, which is
Oh,
again.
yeah.
Mhm.
30 maybe.
And how
Yeah,
did you get this website?
there you are.
What did you use for this website?
It's built with Shipixen 100%, and it's so awesome. I cannot tell you how awesome it is to be able to, throw this tweet while you're writing the content.
Oh man, it's something that we are working on right now, like for Momentum.
Man,
With TipTap editor, it's really hard to actually edit, but I think we'll have it soon. I definitely feel it.
Okay, I want to make this more cringy than it is, but I do the money thing. And I do 1 hour. No, now it's like 2 hours ago. We didn't know what we built. 1 hour ago, we deployed. Now we have made our first dollar. Okay. Good.
Yeah, I'll split it.
I should also quote some of your stuff. Wait. This freaking DMs keep opening and everyone's seeing my DMs. Okay, this live streaming, not the best. Okay, this one here. Okay, this here. Okay, good. I'll put it underneath. All right, you're gonna have fun cutting this video, huh?
Mhm. Yeah, definitely. But because we tried a lot of things, so I like it.
Yeah. I have even better news. We've made another sale.
Okay, so now it will become a full-time job, right?
We got the second sale now.
Okay.
Did you actually think we're gonna get sales?
I thought that probably actually the streaming helped.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, we
things.
revealed the whole freaking content,
Yeah.
so that's not a good idea. But
Yeah,
yeah,
and as sales are going in, so if you're watching this live stream and you appreciate what we built, I think Sandra should be next here. So if you think that we should invite Sandra to the podcast, so she built also email sequence and show us how to do this, tag her or anyone else that you wish to see on the
it's
show.
at Taco Treba with a K.
Yeah, at Taco Treba. And you can also check tacotreba.com, right?
Yes. tacotreba.com courses on marketing. I think she's gonna send them to me this weekend. It's gonna be crazy.
Nice, nice.
She's really good. Igor, I think we need to shut it down. I just wanna thank you for this whole thing. I think we had a very good chemistry. I think we kind of brainstormed together. You were like out of the blue creating these secrets. I didn't see what you're doing, and then all of a sudden you had like 5 bullet points or more, which was completely it's freaking awesome. I had a blast. Did you really think we're gonna do it, or you thought this is gonna take 5 hours and we're not gonna get anywhere? Gonna say, hey, we made good progress, but look at the process.
Yeah,
What?
actually, before we started the show, I was thinking that probably it will take like episode 2, like to finish it. Yeah, I thought it for like one moment, but when you told that it's just one piece of file, it made sense. So I had some faith, but yeah, I was a bit skeptical
Yeah,
because of yeah, I'm always overestimating my abilities, but together with you, we did it, so it's pretty cool.
yeah. I think that's like very easy to do. And if I'm going back to, it's not just us, it's everyone. Where's the original tweet? Let's read again what people suggested, right? So, caught up with to-do list. I mean, even that seems kind of small. I don't think we could have pulled it off in 1 hour. It's not like people have to understand. It's not only that we built this, is that we tried to talk and explain what we built, which makes this 10 times harder. I swear. I think if we had like 20 minutes focused doing this,
Yeah.
we would have been done. But we also tried to, talk with each other and always say what we're doing, and also try to create copy while we were talking to each other, right? Yeah. Other
Mm.
people's agile.
Agile probably would be a good option.
Yeah. Yeah, we read this, the browser extension
Yeah.
manager. Yeah, the marketplace, right? I mean, that
Yeah, I'm
take
just had that.
screenshots of anything anywhere and have an app to send options that logs my screenshot, reads it, tags it. I mean, it's maybe a good idea, but you cannot do this. Like you need to niche down. Remember when we discussed about the what we're building? We also we said first of all to grow your following, and then I think we either you corrected me or I corrected you that we said let's make it specific to X. Like let's make it very narrow because then the copy would have suffered, and then you kind of have to think, okay, how do we appeal to all of these types of people, right? So even in this example, a content-based product, we still needed to cut things short and to say, okay, this is the scope. Let's not go beyond this, right? We could have spent 1 hour just writing that PDF. So
Yeah, even small thing can really take a lot of time.
yeah. So yeah, of course, if you have some sort of if you have some sort of idea that you kind of know that works, like not everything has to be a thing you can do in 1 hour, right? And it's fine if you have an idea that needs more work to build, but you still have to think about it in this way, that what would be a proof of concept for this idea? Like, how can I get this out as fast as possible without having to, put risk by implementing something for a month and two, and then realizing you got the target audience wrong, or you've built something just for yourself, or and for a lot of people this is scary to do. So I'm really happy that we did it, and hopefully we showed there's nothing to be afraid of. Apparently we're doing it in a stream, so there was some things to be afraid of, and that is leaking my personal my personal data. But we got the third sale now. Just in, so
Nice.
yeah,
It's going.
it's going.
Everyone, thank you for support.
Thank you for your support, everyone. This is such a crazy idea. I will go for my notifications at some point, but now is not the time. For now, I just have one thing to ask you, Igor, and then we go.
Okay.
What will you do with all this money we made today, man? What do you plan to do?
I really wish that it's not a one-time project now. So probably with the next guest, we'll try like to use it as an example, like to do like different stuff. Like I mentioned, okay, email marketing, but probably someone. Okay, so sales will be pretty tough for that, but I hope we'll do something with the website with the next guest, or just with people from the community like who want to participate. So if you have ideas how you can contribute, like let's do this. And let's grow one indie secrets to enterprise level.
Wait. I have to add something, and this is how I do it with most of my apps. Whenever I get sales, like maybe once every few days, you need to bump the number of users, right?
Yeah.
So, and actually, look here. We wrote. Oh, actually, this part here we completely forgot. Igor, we cannot end the call with this stuff up here.
Okay.
Easy to read, easy to use.
Easy to apply, probably.
100% customer satisfaction. Sorry? Oh, easy to apply. Oh, yeah. You see this? I love it. We should do this always, and just keep building stuff. Have like the Seinfeld stream 24/7.
Yeah. Probably we should do something at this point, like a collaborative effort with more Market Show.
Yeah.
I think more people can join and do something as a team, so it will be really fun. Like someone working on Loga, someone working on a quad, someone working on the copy.
Yeah.
So it will be cool.
Okay, now we got 3 sales, but we're gonna do 17 left. See? So we create more urgency.
It says 24 hours. Is what you meant here?
Yeah, so we have 20 customers only,
Okay, cool.
limited to the
Yes.
next 24 hours. Now we could just say limited amount, 17 left.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, good.
Okay, let me push this, and then you're gonna have some fun editing. What's the total time on this?
1 hour, 40 minutes.
Okay. How about my commit message there? Top-notch stuff. Alrighty.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dan. It was really a fun stream, and it seems people like it too. And hopefully, I learned something. Thank you for sharing everything. And good luck with Shipixen. It looks like really futuristic and the cool tool. Really, like I didn't see like competitors. Let's say like the way like you approaching things. I think that's the right way to go.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Oh, we just got one more sale. I just wanna, yeah, thank you for coming up with this crazy idea. Like I remember we talked, like you were just a normal talk, and you told me, hey, let's build something next time in the show. And here we are, like what, 3 weeks later, I think,
Yeah.
and we did it. I love this. So thank you so much for creating this, for putting the work. I know it's a lot of work. Like, we're doing Morning Maker show, and doing audio takes so much time. So like, thank you for putting the work to edit this, put it together, and publish it. It's awesome. Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I suffer a bit, but I like the results, and I meet like great people like you. So thank you again.
Thank you. Have a nice
See you.
weekend and nice Easter. See you.
Bye. Hey, it's Igor from the future. Thank you so much for staying with us for more than 1 hour, and thank you for your support during the stream or after it. Now you can watch some other episodes. See you.
Do it in public. You have nothing to hide. Start using the internet. Join the riot.